All right, this is 1176 interior on the Carnival Celebrity Reflection. As soon as you walk in, there is a lot of space. Really enjoy this. I mean, as soon as you walk in, you're not cramped. Sounds like they're doing some kind of talking going on now, but just to let you see, there's a lot of room. As soon as you come in, you're not going down a hallway like on some of the Carnival ships. To the left of here, you kind of got a little work area, a TV, some pull-out drawers. You also have a safe and a fridge, which they do charge you for everything you use in there. So you don't want to use this stuff inside of there. Then you have a trash can, another little work area here, places to hold things. Decent sized TV. I don't know if this thing, yeah, it's solid. It doesn't come out and tilt or swivel. Then you got some water here, little table, little recliner in the corner. I'm going to be using this workstation here. Look at all the room on the side. Again, this is the interior. You got a little cubby holes to the left, phone. You also have, it looks like some storage above, which is nice. And then you got a closet, full length mirror. Closet here. We got our roll-on bags. Our other luggage hasn't came in yet. You got some hangers. Looks like there is no USBs on the sides. I don't see any USB. Oh, they're there. No USB, but they got European plugs here. Here's a light cut off for the mirror. And then the bathroom is right here. Your temperature control. And this room is really cool, isn't it, Michelle? Nice. Very nice and cool. This is a step up. Nice bathroom. And it does not have the curtain like I thought it did, which is great. Yeah, no sticking to the butt. Storage here. You got some outlets up here. Nice sink. Storage, plenty of storage. Plenty of room here if you sit on the toilet and you're not cramped. Drawers here as well. Trash bin on the bottom. And then you got the shower here, stand-up shower. And the gel, soap, conditioner, wand. You know, typical cruise type. And I think that's, is that a light or a vent? I think that's a light. We're gonna figure that out though. So let me get in here and see how much room there is. All right, so I'm 6 foot tall. There's probably 6 inches above me. I don't have any problem turning around in here, and I'm 300 pounds plus. Inside of here, they also have hooks up here at the top to hang things. So yeah, I'm liking this. Well, the biggest thing I like about this is the size. And then look how much room. It's like you're not going down a hallway. But as soon as you come in, there's plenty of room here. You can put your bags and stuff over on this side. Plenty of room on each side of the bed as well. Also notice that the light on the right, if you're facing the bed, the right light has 2 switches on the bottom of it. One switch cuts on the room lights. The other switch cuts on the individual light. That was really handy, and we figured it out after the first day. But if you're getting up to go to the bathroom, it makes it easy to cut either one light on or the whole light. Also in the bathroom itself, it kind of has like a night light going on. So you're not walking in there tripping or tripping over things. So that was pretty cool. So what you guys think? Tell us, have you ever cruised on Celebrity interior, and did you like it or not? But so far, 1176, we'll let you know at the very end of the cruise if there's a bunch of noise or any other issues, but I think I'm digging this, right, Michelle?
Absolutely, I like it.
You like the way it's set up?
Nice.
Yeah.
Very spacious.
Hey everyone.
Good morning.
It is Mike and Michelle with Lovey's Fat Life, and we're debarking the ship today.
Very sad.
The Celebrity, I keep wanting to call it Carnival, but Celebrity Reflection, been an awesome experience. Right, Michelle?
Extremely wonderful.
Definitely different than Carnival in a positive way.
We'll do it again.
Nothing against Carnival at all, but
no,
it's been a good week. But this video was about the room, an interior room. Our number is 1176. I've already showed you in this video the room tour, but here's a couple other things about the room. So let's go over the positives, Michelle. What do you like about the room?
It is so spacious.
It has the most room of any ship we've been on.
Yes.
When you walk in the foyer, it is really wide. You don't feel like you're walking down a little hallway.
We can pass each other in the room.
Yeah, the only area you can't is, where there's like a little working desk. To me, the bathroom was better than I thought. A lot of room in the bathroom for this size cabin. Glass shower doors, curtains not sticking to your butt.
Yeah.
Water pressure was excellent. As soon as you cut it on, it was all hot or cold. Whatever you did, you didn't have to wait, which we live in a well water, so we always have to wait. But adjustable wand, it had areas in there that you can hold on to and a footstool at the bottom.
Prop. Yes.
Yep. Plenty of cubby holes in there in the bathroom, storage space in the bathroom.
Was great in the bathroom.
Bed was okay.
Yeah.
Not a negative, so we won't say it's a negative.
No, it was just okay.
It was okay. Now our room steward was incredible.
He was wonderful.
Twice a day, turned down. You could tell him just to do it once or leave your deep sleep, is what it says on the door, and they wouldn't come in. But that was a lot better than I thought. Because sometimes on some ships we don't even get any room service other than give me some towels. But this twice a day, you take a nap, you come back, the bed's ready for you again. It was just really nice.
Super prompt. He was on the ball all the time. We never waited, so he was really awesome.
Another thing I really liked about the room, and other ships do have this, is when you're laying down in the bed, if you're facing the bed, the one on the right does this. I don't believe the one on the left does this, but if you're facing the bed, the one on the right, you can cut on a little light above it. I got a video clip of that. It's actually one of those lights right there. That's actually Michelle's light. The opposite side of this, it's got two little buttons on the bottom of it. One cuts the cabin lights on, and then the other one cuts the little...
I didn't realize that.
She just found that out. So you can lay in the bed and cut all the lights on before you get up, or you can cut your little light on as well. Also, the room steward had just go back to him real quick because he was awesome. Michelle has a CPAP machine. He saw it sitting on the nightstand, so when we came in the first day, we didn't ask her anything. He already had it taped down, and a bottle of distilled water with it.
He was ready to go.
All right. Any other positive, Michelle's?
Just the overall.
The experience has been great.
Yeah, just the overall. It's been great.
All right, maybe a couple of negatives, and they wasn't game changers.
No.
But Michelle, what's the negative for you?
There wasn't as much shelving as I would like for storage in the actual cabin.
Yeah, the closet itself is kind of small. It doesn't have any shelving to put clothes you want to lay down. This is above the bed here. That lifts out, and you got plenty over the bed shelving.
But you have to be tall.
But if you're not tall, you're gonna have to get somebody tall to get what you need up there.
So that's not me.
It wasn't that bad for me, but it was a little bit different. It was a good utilization of the space, though.
Yes.
They could have easily in this room put another small closet with as much room as there is coming in, maybe beside the TV.
Or just some shelving at the bottom of the regular closet would have been nice.
But again, that's just something small.
We work around it, no problem.
We pack too much anyway. The other, another negative, Michelle?
No, that's my only negative.
So my other negative was, and this is an older ship, it's 12, 15 years old, whatever it is out now. There's no USBs in the room.
Beside the bed.
There's none beside the bed. There's none over here on the table at the desk area. There's no USB outlets at all. So you're going to need to make sure you bring.
You have to bring an adapter.
A power strip, and it's got the European and US power strip.
There are 2 US plugs though.
Right. So just a heads up on that, and that's really about it.
Yeah. Everything else.
This particular room, on occasion, not every night, it seemed like at about 1 or 1:30.
Yeah.
There was a little bit of rustling of pans for about 10 or 15 minutes. I don't know if behind our room, it's an interior room, there's a storage room there or something, and they put pans or food pans or something in there.
There's some kind of metal clanging.
But you'd hear it just for 10, 15, 20 minutes, and it wasn't constant. It was just occasionally, and it was only for just a few nights. But that's the only other thing I can think of.
Yes.
All right, that was a lot of talking after seeing this room tour.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Definitely check out Celebrity Reflection.
Yeah, it was a great time.
Our favorite interior room of any ship we've been on.
By far.
Bye.
Thank you.